Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the best tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel that will make you a pro in no time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, these tricks will help you speed up your work, save time, and make your Excel experience much smoother. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. Mastering these will save you tons of time. Here are a few essentials. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste. Ctrl+Z to undo an action and Ctrl+Y to redo. Ctrl+Shift+L to quickly apply or remove filters. For navigating, try Ctrl+arrow keys to jump to the edges of data, and Ctrl+Shift+arrow keys to select entire ranges. These are just a few examples, but learning shortcuts can dramatically cut down the time you spend on repetitive tasks. Next up is Flash Fill. This is one of the most powerful and often overlooked tools in Excel. It helps automate repetitive tasks like splitting names or formatting phone numbers. All you need to do is start typing the desired pattern in a cell, then press Ctrl+E, and Excel will automatically detect and complete the rest. For instance, if you have a list of full names and need just the first names, type the first name in the adjacent cell, hit Ctrl+E, and Flash Fill will take care of the rest. Conditional formatting is fantastic for visually analyzing your data. It allows you to set rules to automatically change cell colors based on their values. For example, you can highlight all sales figures above a certain threshold or color code dates approaching deadlines. Simply go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and choose a rule or create your own. This way you can quickly identify trends and outliers in your data. Did you know you can add tiny charts right inside your cells? They're called sparklines and are perfect for showing trends at a glance. To add sparklines, just select the cell where you want it, go to the Insert tab and choose Line Sparklines or Column Sparklines. Then select the data range and Excel will display a mini chart. It's great for tracking monthly sales figures or any time-based data. One of Excel's most powerful features is the pivot table. It's an excellent tool for summarizing large data sets. Just select your data, go to Insert and choose Pivot Table. From there, you can drag and drop fields to summarize and analyze your data in seconds. It might seem intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, pivot tables will become one of your favorite tools. If you're tired of typing the same entries over and over, data validation can help. You can create drop-down lists to ensure data consistency. Select a cell or range, go to the Data tab, choose Data Validation, then select List. Type in your options or link to a range and voila, now you have a handy drop-down list to choose from, which is great for things like categories or standardized responses. When working with large data sets, it can be frustrating to lose track of column headers as you scroll. Use freeze panes to keep them visible. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes and select Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column. Now your headers will stay in place as you scroll down or across, making it easier to understand your data. Need to quickly sum up a range of numbers? Just use Auto Sum. Select the cell below or next to the range, hit Alt+=, and Excel will automatically sum up the numbers. The Quick Analysis tool, which appears when you select a range, offers fast access to formatting, charts, and even pivot tables, making it easy to analyze data in just a few clicks. Sometimes you might have data in a single cell that you want to separate into different columns like first and last names. Text to Columns can do this for you. Select the column, go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. You can choose to split the data by delimiters like commas or spaces, making data cleanup quick and easy. Finally, let's talk about add-ins. Excel has a whole library of add-ins to extend its capabilities. Go to the Insert tab, click Get Add-ins, and explore the options. From analytics tools to data visualization, there's a lot you can add to make Excel even more powerful. And that's it! These are just a few tips and tricks to help you get more out of Microsoft Excel. Whether it's saving time with shortcuts or visualizing data with sparklines and pivot tables, Excel has so much to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which tips you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.